Jay applied for a car loan, and the rate shocked him. So he checks his credit score. A credit score is basically a trust score. Many scores range from 300 to 850, and you can have more than one. 5 categories make up the score. Payment history 35%, amounts owed 30%, length 15%, new credit 10%, mix 10%. Payment history matters most. Set autopay or reminders so you never miss. Next is how much you owe versus your limit. Try to stay under 30%. New credit and account age matter. Apply strategically, and don't close your oldest card unless you have a reason. Today's move: set autopay, pay a card down below 30%, and chill on new applications. Your future rate will thank you. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and is not financial, legal, or investment advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.